Hi gang, tonight we're going to do a little operation. We're going to take these cars over to the other side and then pull in the rest of the consist to it. So it's going to make its way around. I'm going to swing around. Haven't run the trains up here, and since I fixed that one section, I figured I'd do little operations tonight and get the rest of those cars on there, so we'll see how it works through that double slip. This is the section here where it used to hesitate, but we put a separate feeders on there, so we're gonna stop it right about now. Okay, and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I got them uncoupled. Now we're going to move them up past that turnout, just past that signal. This is the first time doing this, so we'll see what happens. Okay, that's 133. Select 133, 2. Put the engines in reverse. See, we got a red light on the panel. Now I hope this double slip is the right direction. And it is. Okay, now they're on there. Uh-oh. Whoops. It's going the wrong direction. Let's see. I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I had to go to my chart to figure out this double slip. So I think I got it in the right directions now. So here we go. Now that car carrier gave me trouble when I was pulling it into the double slip. See if it goes. Hey, I made it through. That's a long car. That's compliments of Sparky from last year's Christmas show. Okay, now we're, I got a short circuit. Let's go check the panel. And as we see, we got a flashing green light. So let's just push that button. Now it's reset. And you're going to wonder how I knew there was a short. Well, see this panel here? All the lights went out. So that, I think that car carrier car, when it went over the double slip, must have touched one of the other tracks. It's pretty low. So I'll have to wait and see. I'm going to now change that signal. Put this in reverse. Oh, it didn't couple. There we go. Well, that's speed step 10, and this is the longest this train has ever been. This many cars on it, and that's going up an incline over there. And he made it up. So let him go around once more. So how many cars do I got on there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. So that's the longest I've ever had it. You can hear the engines, how it's working harder as it goes up an incline. That's those Tsasami 2 decoders that makes that automatic sounds like Jason had in the other video the other day. We're going to spin around here. Excuse me. I can't shake this cough. There's my uncoupler tool. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. That's a good speed. Makes it all the way around. Just want to get past that turnout. Alright, that's today's operations. Got the other cars put onto that consist, and now that train is all set. And the other one there, we'll run that later on, and then we'll have 4 or 5 trains running at the same time in the next video. So we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and I hope everybody had a great weekend. It was snowing here in New Jersey. Didn't accumulate to too much. This was a little dusting. Was hoping it would snow a lot so I would stay home again from work tomorrow. But that's it. We'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.